All right. Today we are going to talk about the look command in Unix or Linux. So look, it is a handy command to search word or search words, and it can be useful for some of us. And the look command actually it is a shortcut for grab a word something in a file. It's similar, but this file it is a dictionary file, so it contains lots of words. We can see it later. So on Red Hat like distros, it is installed by default typically, and this look it is in a package called util Linux package. This is the default, so most likely we don't need to install. So, or if you need, you can install if you don't have this one. Okay, so it's let me just make a little bit short. It's installed. It is okay. So let's take a look at the main page for the Linux. Okay, so let me open a command window. Let me go to the server I'm going to use. Okay, so I'm gonna SS shell to a server that is a Red Hat family. It's Oracle Linux. So I'm gonna go there and do a man page. Okay, this is Oracle Linux. Okay, so I'm gonna do man look. So the look command it says display lines beginning with a given string. So they basically check a file and search the word of a given string beginning with. There's some options so we can use, but we just look at the simple one, okay? But the simple one, it is basically it is when you run the loop, you're going to check this file. This is called dictionary file, and then return the result. Okay, and also from the here you will see the look is part of util Linux package. So that is the util package is containing this. It's typically installed. Okay, so we typically don't need to install. And if sometimes if you don't have a dictionary, you can always download the dictionary, but the look command is always there. Okay, it is actually, I believe, in the Linux, Unix long time ago as well. All right, so that is the command. So let's take some example. Okay, so in this way, it is more easy to see how handy this command is. Okay, so I'm gonna first run a command. So I'm gonna look anything started with letter A. Okay, so this example. So they will return all the words with A. So uppercase, both uppercase and lowercase. You see, it's about 32,000 words with A. So let's see. I want something. Any words with app. Just another one. Let's say app. So anything with app, okay? So we'll see. Well, there's lots of options you can do, right? So I just use A as an example. And also, let's see, I want anything starts with Apple. So this probability of tens, 41. So I can continue to search more like anything with apples. So we get 7, 8, 7 words, okay? So that is the typically when you search something, and if this is, as the man page says, it is give you the words with this leading string. So see, I'm searching any words with starting with 1, you get those words. Any words starting with 9, let's see, like 2 words. Similar, like any word start with Z. So you will see, let's see, it's 1919, so much less than word A. So this is first example. The second example I'm going to see, I'm going to look all the words in the dictionary. So I find out to just use this look with a dot, okay? Because dot means anything, so I'm going to use dot. So in this way, it's going to return from 1 to 9, and also some special characters, also A to Z, anything with basic any letter, okay? So let's do a count to see how many. So it's nearly 500,000 rows. Basically, this dictionary contains nearly 500,000 words. So it is the same thing as in this file. If we do a WC to this file, you will see, let's see, use USR, share, DICT words. It's going to have the same number of rows, okay? You see. And also you can look at this file, you will see, let's just look at the head, okay? Yeah, you see this is actually the file. This is, as I mentioned here, it's just a shortcut for grep, you know. So basically look is just shortcuts for grep. You can do grep directly read this dictionary file, do whatever you like, but look is more like a short, cut. So it's easy to type, okay, and to look. And in real life, you might find it's useful when you search a word, okay? So for example, let's use example. So I want to search something, a word start with R, and let's do this, okay? So I'm going to do anything start with R, right? So this is all the words starting with so many. But I can pipe to a grep. So I want anything end with Y. So let's see. All right, so that is the word. So, but that is not, if that is not the one you're looking for, let's see. I was in my mind, I was kind of looking for a word like starting with RUD, okay, end with Y. What I get here. All right, so this is the word I was trying to search because I was trying to search a word. It has the meaning of basic or elementary. So, but I forgot. So now I was trying to use this to search. I know it's something started with Rudy and something, you know, the last letter is Y. So I quickly find that this is the word I was trying to search. There's many real life example. If you want to search like a city you forgot or something, any words you forgot. Let me search another word. So I was trying to search something, a word starting with ENT, okay? So I don't remember exactly what is the word, but in my mind I was looking for something intro, okay? So I was basically looking for something intro. All right, so that is the word actually I was looking. Now this one, entropy, okay? So that is a word I was actually trying to look. Also, intro. Let me do a grep y. Let's see intro. Okay, so this is the word I was looking. There's another word I was looking. Let me see. Intro. Let me find out. And so, okay, this is the word I was actually trying to find a sister word with the entropy. Okay, so basically, so I find both of them. I was looking. One it is intro, so I will try to see intro. That is the word I was looking for. And also I was looking for another one, Ansel. And let me see. Yeah, Ansel. Something like that, okay? So, you know, this entropy and enthalpy, they are sister words, okay, in the thermodynamics. So anyway, so just for fun, okay? Sometimes our memory fading, so we may, with this can help search lots of things, okay? Another thing, let's do another, play another fun search. So I was interested to search anything ended with, let's see, national, okay? So let me go to the, so let's see, look, dot, and grep anything ended with Tion, this one, okay? So let's see. You can search middle, you can search end of the word, whatever keyword you was. So how many with the T? Let's see, about 600. So if I'm interested to like a national, that's this. So we got 55 words. Let's take a look at what is this words look like. International and whatever, supranational, terminational, transnational. So this kind of word, okay. So, well, it can be useful, as I said, to people like some of us, you know, to learning English, or, you know, and search a word if we forgot, okay. So, however, when you search the internet, you may not find many information on the look command, especially on YouTube. But I've been using this for more than 20 years or so. I want to share this with the community. So, all right. So that probably covered for us for the Red Hat. So now let's shift to the Ubuntu. Okay. So for the Ubuntu, let me exit this session and return to a not to this PowerShell. Let me go to my let me exit to the Oracle Linux. So I'm in the Ubuntu. So it doesn't look like it's well. Let me go back to this one. Okay. So on my Ubuntu server, it's not a server actually. It is WSL. You know. So let's see. This is my Ubuntu release. Okay. So this is Ubuntu. If I do a type of look A, in my case, this server doesn't have the look command. In order, so the look command is there, but this dictionary is not there. So we have to install, okay? To install that, we're going to use this command, apt-cache to search this package, okay, word list. So let's do it. So I'm going to go to a cache. Cache. Okay, this is the command I'm going to search. Okay, so search word list, and let's see. So let's pipe to more or less. Okay, so it gives us a list of a dictionary we can install. Okay, so what we are interested is American in this demo. So we're going to install this American dictionary. Okay, so let me grab those American dictionaries. It's W American. So they give us like a few dictionary. So you can install any of them. You can install small. So let's see. If you install the large, it probably give you like 100,000 words. If you install the huge, they're gonna give you like 300,000. If you install this insane, it give you probably 600, more than 500,000 words. Okay. So I'm gonna just install this one. Okay. If you install American, this default probably also 100,000. Okay. So let's do it. So we're gonna use apt install or use sudo if you like. Okay. So I'm gonna install this one. So in this we have like 300 similar to the 500 in the like a Red Hat distro. Okay. So I'm gonna install this one. It's pretty quick. Okay. So all right, so it's almost there. Okay, installed. So we can do the same thing. Okay. So let's do a Amazon. So anything start with Amazon? Oh, it's so many. Well, let's try a different one. Let's see. Anything start with Zach? Probably is later. Okay, we only have Zach's. Okay. So now it's working. So let's see how many words are. Let's pipe to WC. You will see like 345,000 words. Okay. So, and similar thing as we did earlier. So let's see. We want search anything contains. Let's see apples. It doesn't matter in the beginning or end or in the middle. Okay, so how many we get? So we get about 14. So we get 14 words and starting with like apples and the apples, grapple, many pineapples. Okay, either in the middle or in the at the end. So anything you are interested to search, you can search. So all right, so basically it's handy. So when you can also play some certain things you like, okay, and so whatever if you are interested to play with those words, you can quickly to search like anyway. So that is the tip I'm to share today. Hopefully, it'll be useful to some of us. And all right, so I'm gonna leave it here.